The forgiveness or restructuring of debt is one of the oldest governance mechanisms in the financial sector. From Israel's years of Jubilee, abolishing debts, to George Washington's Debtors Prison Relief Act of 1792, restructuring the American debt system, and the more modern GI Bill, this mechanism has a long but infrequent tradition. Now the current administration has pulled this lever once again, and you may have strong feelings about whether or not it's a good idea, but for the sake of this video, because that lever has already been pulled, let's focus on if and how you may benefit. The executive order is structured in 3 major steps. Step 1, targeted debt relief. The executive branch will use the power originally granted by the HEROES Act of 2003 to forgive $10,000 of debt for borrowers who earn less than $125,000 a year as an individual or $250,000 as a married couple. If a borrower's student debt included Pell Grants, this doubles to up to $20,000. For 20 million Americans, this will wipe out their remaining balance completely. Step 2, loan system overhaul. The student loan repayment system will also be restructured. Repayments will continue to be paused until the end of 2022, after which the following changes will take effect. Student loan payments will now be capped at 5% of the borrower's income. No borrower's monthly interest will increase as long as they continue to make repayments, and the remaining balance of loans under $12,000 will be forgiven after 10 years of repayment. Borrowers making less than $15 an hour will not be required to make active monthly payments. This overhaul will streamline responsible repayment by remaining and future borrowers. Step 3, protecting borrowers from future abuse. The Department of Education has been directed to restructure the existing PSLF program that exists for public servants like teachers and veterans, and the Department of Education has reinstated the enforcement unit for the Federal Office of Student Aid in order to boost consumer confidence in the student loan program. Even if your income is higher than the participating minimum, you may still benefit. You may have a family member entering the workforce on a starting salary who can receive assistance. You might even see the cost of certain goods decrease as 43 million Americans see their purchasing power now increase. If the borrower is eligible for this program and has recently shared their income with the Office of Student Loans, they may have automatically received this benefit. If not, an online process for manual application will be available sometime in early October 2022, with the White House encouraging borrowers to apply by November 15th of 2022. If you have any questions on how this program works or about managing student debt loans now that this program has been announced, please visit studentaid.gov. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out at 602-343-9301 or check out strategyfinancialgroup.com and click on the orange Schedule Meeting button. Thanks for joining me.